Welcome back, traders. Trading the 2040 strategy combined with the volatility stop indicator. Okay, I haven't made no videos in a long time because I've been really busy working on my website, trading strategies, helping students one-on-one, setting up their charts because a lot of students have MT4 and it's very difficult to set it for me because I'm not an MT4 guy. So I'm trying to help people out, with this new indicator, it's a harmonic scanner, and it's been awesome, very profitable, combined with a core strategy that you already have, like buying is the volatility stop in the 2040 strategy, and then also I have another indicator that looks into the future and 7 days in advance for moves, and it's about 70 to 90% correct. So the entry and the drawdown is very minimal. It's incredible. So that's what I've been working on, and also trading strategies, automated systems. Thanks Market Traders Institute for finding not only learning how to trade the forex, but all the stuff that comes with the forex. It's just not only, like I said, not only trading, it's all this other stuff combined. Just awesome. Okay, so let me pause the video and update you with some of these new indicators, and we'll go over this some of these profit targets here that I made. Okay, let me just pause the video and I'll be right back. Okay, traders, I'm back. All right, so here we go. We got the big winner for the week was 184 pips on the Great British Pound JPY. Got an awesome entry on a sell, 61.27, and closed out at 184 pips. And then this is my first entry that closed out at two positions at 101 pips. Okay, so then I also had another win. I believe where is it? 90 pips. Here you go. This was a buy. This was at a support level. As soon as it hit, I missed the entry a little bit by about 40 pips because it hit it and it just bounced like a rocket. And then it rocketed up for another 90 pips here. See, you could see the same entries here. I closed two at 32 pips. I closed another one at 71.1 pips, and then I closed the last one at 90 pips. Awesome. Okay, and then also I got a couple of pound Aussie trades, 77 pips, 62 pips. That's the pound New Zealand, 115 pips. What else we got here? And then we got some little trades here. JPY, 30 pips, 11. You could see how a lot of these are pullbacks on the initial 20 pip target, and then it just reversed and went to, I got it 5 or 6 pips positive with the stop loss. Okay, so and then I took a couple of losses again. Here we are. The big loss was a 40 pip loss on the Canadian. That was, just stopped me out. There's nothing you could do. You can't win all trades. JPY 32 pips loss, and a couple of 25 pip losses on the yen. This one I missed the move on. When it pulled back, I should have just waited for it to close again, but it happens. I should have just entered again, but I did not, and it just took off like a bullet. Let's see what else. And you got a couple of minor losses here, 2 pips. So that's about it. And then over here on this side, there's no losses on this side. Euro New Zealand, 86 pips. Here's another position, 32 pips, 2.5 pips. Aussie dollar, same deal, 23 pips and 15. So I'm going to pause the video and I will update you with the other indicators that I've been using. And I'll show you my analysis on the pound, New Zealand, Aussie dollar, Euro Aussie, and Euro New Zealand. Okay, I'm going to pause the video and update you with that. Yeah, welcome back, traders. Here's going to analyze the 60-minute time frame for the volatility stop indicator. We got up the pound New Zealand dollar. It's in an up move. A, B, C, pullback 8.6. Looking to take profit here at 215.21. So I got to look for an entry to get in. I already pulled back here and had a good entry down here. I made some pips on that last week. Some awesome moves with that. So looking on the upside of this, volatility stop buy call. So looking to take it up. In my opinion. Let's see, pound Aussie. With the pound Aussie, it's in a down AB, but the volatility stop is in a buy. Even though this is red, it's still in a volatility stop. You can see the green here, and it's still in the buy. So it already took 100 pips already on the system, and we're looking at the rest of it. 125, 150, 175, 200, 240, and a big 500 pip target. So that's what I'm looking at. So go down to a smaller time frame and look for an entry. Also, the Euro New Zealand is in an uptrend as well. I think it's going to take the stop out on a volatility stop. We'll see what happens with that. I'm not currently in that trade. Here's the 127. That's my profit target. I will be taking if it starts breaking out and it calls a buy. Looking to take profit at the 127. Every time it has hit this number over and over again, it has dropped like a brick. So I'll be looking to take some profit there. That's the Euro New Zealand dollar. Currency on this one is 5.0. I don't think it got to the 618 yet, so it's 5.0 bounce. And then we got the Euro Australian, which on the 10-minute time frame just rocketed up like a bullet. As you can see the ECO here, and then if you go to the 10, if I go to the 10-minute, you'll see this thing just bolted from where it was. What's the euro pound? I'm just currently, where's the euro? Yeah, it's Euro New Zealand, 10-minute, and it's 10 with a smaller time frame. It's very, easy to get entries. When it gets close to this volatility stop line, if it's in a buy, take the trade. Put your stop below here and go to the north. This right here is a chop fest. So, but this is, the consolidation time. Let's see. What is this? That's the Aussie New Zealand. An Aussie trade too. Where's the Euro Aussie? The Euro, no. Right here. Here's Euro Aussie. Right here. I was recording one video, and right here you can see the T3's crossed over, and it just bolted up, crossed over, crossed the volatility stop line. Here's your histogram, and it's on its way up to the north. Great entry right here. Here it is. Everything in confluence. And then let's see what the power zone had to say. Do I have the Euro Aussie? Let's see if I have the Euro Aussie on the power zone. I don't think I do. No, I don't. But I think I have the Aussie dollar. Where's the Aussie dollar? Right here, power zone. Right here, Aussie dollar. Aussie US dollar. So it looks like Aussie US dollar is going to probably go up as well. So we'll see what happens with that. Let's see what the Canadian's doing. Canadian really doesn't do much in the Asian session, but it looks like it's making somewhat of a move here. So we'll see what happens with that as well. I don't want to get off the track. Trying to keep these videos short as possible. Try to keep the editing down so I can put more content out and not take so much time, because time is very limited. Okay. And that's it, traders. And I will post this on the particular websites, and I have my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to And I have tons of video of the 2040 strategy on there. I have a playlist. I also have a website and need assistance of trading or anything like that, just let me know. Okay, signing off. Welcome back, traders. Here's the harmonic scanner. You can see it here. I'm going to try to keep the videos as short as possible. This is the harmonic scanner, and a lot of times I'll use this. I like using it on a 4-hour and the daily. And the 1 hour works very well too, but it's got to be in the direction that the bigger time frame is. Then I'll take the trade. But it does work out. And this is almost like it's like a semi-automated system because everything is already set up for you. All you have to do is enter the numbers. Your stop losses, everything is there. All you got to do is enter those numbers. Your stop loss here, very tight stop loss. And then here you got the profit targets, 1, 2, and 3. Also, it has your risk, 1%, 2%, 3%. This is a demo account, so I'm not using that. This is a demo, but I actually trade it with my live account with my numbers. Okay, so and you don't have to do anything. It's no Fibonacci numbers. It's none of that. It's all calculated, automated. Here's the euro pound. You just click on this pattern, and here's the euro pound. I'm actually currently in this one. I'm looking to take profit at level 3 here. It already took profit at level 1. Now it's gonna. We'll see if we get a pullback and then another target 2. So we'll see what happens with that. It's very simple. Everything is played out for you. The entry down here, your stop loss, take profit 1, 2, and 3. It doesn't get any easier than this. So I like trading the bigger time frames. This one was actually a loser, but look at the your stop is very tight. Look at that. I think I lost 9 pips on this one. This is like unbelievable. I'll take 9 pips all day, every day. But the with the profit, with the risk reward ratio, I lost 9 pips. I'm not crying about that. And here's the pound Aussie. You can see on some of my trades. I took some of these trades. Boom, target 1, bingo. Okay, now we're getting a slight pullback. We'll see what happens. That's your entry order. I got down in here like low, real tight, real good entry. But you can set this one, forget it. You just put an entry order on these targets. Here, the entry. Here's all your numbers already in here. Entry order, profit targets, and you're good to go. It's a set it and forget it. And then here's the daily time frame. Got an entry on this one as well. Made some pips on this as well. And it has not hit target 1 yet. And then here's target 2, and then target 3. If you just go down this with the patterns, they are on very, very profitable. Very, very profitable targets. As you can see here, here's the New Zealand dollar on a 1 hour. Look at that. Target 1, target 2, entry order. You're good to go. So if you need some information on this indicator, just let me know. It's lights out with this thing. Okay, so this is the euro yen. It never got up into the zone, so we didn't take it. Okay, here's the here's the euro yen here on the daily, and I believe it got to yes, this one got into the zone to buy here. This is the zone to buy, and it actually pulled way back down here. So that was an awesome entry. Awesome entry. All right, so it's still in the zone for the buy to go up. So we'll see what happens with that. And it gives you the time, the pattern, and it also gives you an email when a new pattern shows up. So you don't have to wait in front of the charts. But this is one when I'm working and I see a pattern, I just put an entry order in, put my stops and limits in, and I'm good to go. Okay, so I'm going to try to keep these videos as short as possible. So let me pause the video, and we'll get back on the flux indicator. Welcome back, traders. Okay, now this is the other indicator I've been using with my 2040 strategy and the volatility stop. It's the flux power zone, and what it does is predicts the future moves of the currency pair. Okay, so what I got to do is I have to scroll back 7 days. I'm going to scroll back 7 days, and then I'm going to see a white dotted line, and that will be the current chart movement for the currency pair. So I move back 7 days. It sounds weird, but trust me, it really works. Okay, so this white line is going to constantly move, and it will predict the future movement of the currency pair. So when you have a time cycle, just say here at 1605, well, the market's it's not even open yet. But I guess the banks are, I guess maybe they're doing something, because I noticed the white line is moving. Plus, it's time based anyway. So, we're going to get a move up here. Once the market opens, these are the entries that I'll be looking for. And it predicts the future movements. Very profitable. I don't have my live charts that I recorded video of this thing. I predicted moves, 3 or 4 days before they happen. So what I'm looking for when the market opens, because it's going to open, I think it's maybe like 7 p.m. when it really opens, like Japan. So all I got to do is look and see where this white line is and see where the market is, and then make my decision there on the charts. And here's the charts. It's the pound Aussie right here. And then I take this chart and then I look for an entry, or I'll use my MTI4 charting with the T3 crossovers. So you have time signals here, and then you have time signals here. Here's another time signal, but the market's not open. So once the market opens, and then this indicator is awesome. Awesome. I mean, the drawdown is very minimal when you take a trade. When these are all in confluence, when they're all lined up like this, I'm looking for a trade at this area, at this time zone, because everything is in alignment. So, when it gets down here, I'm going to be looking to see if I get a T3 crossover and to buy the market and take it up, because both histograms and the lines are in agreement. And then also, even over here at this level, we'll see what happens on this last hump down here at 22.25. Looks like it's going to dip, and then look for an entry to go up. So, and I use this a lot on the JPY. That's why I got 10 pips, 20 pips here, 30 pips, and then I got a big home run. So, and it definitely worked out. All right, so if you need information on any of these indicators, new indicators that I have, just hit me an email. Also, I'll be putting up my YouTube channel, and you could please, if you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I have a lot of content on there of past 2040 strategies and all kind of, trading strategies that I used throughout last year. It was probably my best year ever. So, thanks to Market Traders Institute for providing that awesome education in trading. And then also, like I said, I have a couple of these other trading companies as well. Have some awesome tools. So just always keep your mind open for always educating yourself, and because you never know what you can find out there. Always have your mind open for new ideas. Okay, so that's basically it. Oops, sorry about that. That's basically it. And I will see you on the MTI Family Facebook page. Also have a new Facebook myself. I'll try to post a link in there, and we'll take it from there. I'll try to update you what's in these trades, and also maybe I will try to post when some of these moves are going to happen beforehand. But I'll record some of my trades anyway. So again, shoot me an email if you need more information on any of these tools, and stay profitable.